guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Tyler and I'm back with another video for you guys today. So I asked you guys on my Instagram which hair products I should use for today's video, and I think I'm gonna start allowing you guys to choose my hair products from now on because my hair feels amazing. So if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you have not, and turn on the post notifications. And if you guys have any video suggestions, leave them down there as well. I'm always willing to try new different stuff. So yeah, I will see you guys all in my next video. My first voiceover. Wow. Okay, so the first thing that I did was I washed my hair. So right here, I just got out of the shower and my hair is fully washed. And you know, I gotta play in my hair. So the shampoo that I used was the Pantene Gold Series Sulfate Free Shampoo. And this is for dry, damaged hair. My hair isn't damaged, but it does get dry. And this is also paraben and silicone free. So I love this stuff a lot. So the first product that you guys chose for me to use was the Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco, and y'all, I was shocked. I really thought that you guys were gonna say try the Suave Almond Shea Butter, but you guys chose the Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco, and I'm so thankful because this is my holy grail. Like, I love this stuff. It's my favorite conditioner of all time. So I'm gonna take my little spray bottle that I got from Sally Beauty, and I think this spray bottle was like $3 or something, so it's really cheap. So I'm just gonna make sure that my hair is wet the entire time because I just noticed that like my hair just styles better and takes product better when it's soaking wet. So I'm just gonna spray my hair, and then I'm also going to finger detangle. I try to use combs, brushes, and finger detangling is like the easiest way for me, and it's also less painful. So the next product that you guys chose for me was the Miss Jessie's Multicultural Curls Hair Lotion, and I love this stuff so much. And I was also shocked too because I thought you guys were going to pick the Pillow Soft Curls because I haven't used that on my channel, but I don't know if I'm mixed or not. I'm not sure. I don't really know, but if I am, that would explain why this product works so well on my hair. So right here, I am so impressed with my curls already, and I haven't even put in the last product. So yeah, I'm loving my hair right now. So the last product came down to the Diva Curl Archangel Gel and the Camille Rose Naturals Curl Maker, and I ended up choosing the Curl Maker by Camille Rose. I was intrigued by this product because I've never tried it before, and this gel is a curling jelly and it eliminates frizz, it moisturizes, and it defines your curls. So I really wanted to try this out because I've heard really good things about it. Close, 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 rotate, close to you. Close, close,
gravity, deep my soul under this gravity, void of satellites, conditioned to stay. All I wanna be there.
So I'm just gonna let my hair dry. It's probably gonna take about like 2 or 3 hours for it to dry. So currently it is 12:18. So I will come back to you guys and let you guys see the final results.
Much later.
So now that my hair is dry, I'm gonna go in with some of my Eco Styler coconut oil gel, and I'm gonna take my toothbrush and I'm just going to lay my little baby hairs down because I just think it makes the look a lot nicer and a lot cleaner. And you don't have to do this, but I just like to do it because I like the look. And this gel also does not flake, and it also smells really good too. And then to finally finish it off, I'm going to go in with Curls Blueberry Bliss Hair Growth Oil. I'm just going to take a little bit of this because I don't want this to weigh my hair down. And I just want to get rid of that cast and that crunch because I want my hair to be soft. And this oil just does a great job of softening my hair and giving my hair like amazing shine. So yeah, these are the final results. I really love how my hair turned out. It looks really good. Yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys all in my next video.